Welcome to a very brief daily video update. I do have the materials again to do the longer video, and after spending a number of hours preparing the video, I started recording it, and after 3 or 4 tries, the construction going on around me is really messing up the internet. I'm having to use Zoom to record the videos these days, and if the internet goes down, the recording stops, and I just can't keep playing this game, and it looks like it's going to go on for the next number of hours, at least until the market opens. So hopefully look for the longer term videos here pretty quick. I'll just give a brief vocal overview. We're looking pretty positive. Our technical indicators are positive overall, but the new highs and new lows are not expanding. So that's a bit of a concern. Also, on a short-term basis, we're looking a little bit extreme positive right now. But our sector rotation scenario, and if you're using that to have been making decisions, that's looking pretty good for you. But always be careful, because this is trying to analyze what the smart money is doing, and they can afford to take some time and have the market go against them for a while. They don't have to react necessarily like you or I would have to react. So we still have to be vigilant and keep an eye on those things. But all of the different charts still show us going up in our move back from value over into growth. So we'll just see how things play out. I'm afraid of making this video too long because I could lose the internet and have to do it again here in just a moment. So please look for the longer term videos very soon. Hopefully after today's session, I'll be able to do that, and for Friday. And then I'll look at preparing the weekly videos and the intermarket analysis video just as soon as possible. I'm not fully up and going yet, but I at least have access to the lesser quality version of how I record and the slides that I use. So have a great day, and I hope to talk to you again really soon.